Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at creating an onboarding pipeline inside of AgencyZoom here. So again, getting to your pipelines, hover over your system settings, go up to pipelines, click on that, and you will see all of your created pipelines as well as this blue create pipeline button up here. And so I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to create an onboarding pipeline. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty in depth as far as what you can create. So you can automatically create the service request. It'll give you immediately after the sold date or after the effective date. Those are pretty cool. Or you can do it, 2 days after, let's just say the effective date, just for sake of it here. And then you can start enrolling them into onboarding sequences. You can also filter this by policy types. So you can have one for personal lines, one for commercial lines, one for life and health. So I'm going to do personal lines for this one. Now, this is an important one here, this create service request for. So you can do it for the customer once, or you can do it for every time they ever have a policy that comes in here. So if you want a specific set of tasks to be done after a cross sell, you're going to want this set up for each policy. If it's set up for the customer once, then once you onboard them and they go through this pipeline, they won't come back through here again for any future policies sold. If you would prefer they come through here and maybe you just tag it so that certain tags get different sets of automation, then you're going to want each policy. Down here into include these lead sources, exclude lead sources, all of your typical stuff that you would see inside of all of the other pipelines, assigning the service requests, account policy CSR, producer, round robin to the CSRs if you have assignment groups set up, or once you have your users in there, you'll also see assigned to a certain user or assigned to an assignment group. If you haven't checked out assignment groups, we do have a video on that as well. It goes pretty in depth on how to create those and the benefits of that. And again, just like normal, do you want to categorize this as something specific once it comes in? Do you want to tag it as something specific once it comes in? When you do tag it, are you tagging customer tags, policy tags, both? And do you want to exclude this from calculating service response time? I would say for an onboarding, I would definitely want to exclude that from service response time, but it's up to you. So again, this is creating an onboarding pipeline, and it's like I said, it's pretty robust, and you can do some pretty cool things with it just by filtering policy types and tags. Hope that was helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one.